Hello guys, and the vlogs ni what's up guys, magbasa na ita. Listen, try.
May listen, try.
Let's try.
Let's try.
Let's try.
Mm.
Work with your classmates and name some mixtures
Mixture.
you encounter and
You encounter
and use every day. Right.
Ayaw pag hunong sa right. Kung may hunong-hunong, dapat din na kasi everyday mo hunong balik ka.
Work with your classmates and
Ayaw
name
paghunong.
some
Wait lang.
mixtures you
Wait lang. Gikan sa dire ayaw pag hunong hunong. Hunong ka dito sa dapat hunong-hunon. Yan.
work with your classmates and name some mixtures
Make sure ba? Make sure
you encounter.
Oh, dito na kahinghunong. Balikan na pod. Dito na makahinghunong dapat dili kasi everyday mo hunong. Okay, go again.
Work with your classmates and name some mixtures you encounter and use every day.
Very good.
Write them on the board. Identify the heterogeneous mixtures.
Very good. Salita.
The components of some mixtures need to be separate to that one.
O, asa man kaming hunong? Hunong ka dito. Huwag tayo hunong.
The components of some mixtures need to be separate so that one or more of its components can be
Oh,
used.
very good. Diha ka mo hunong dapat. Yeah.
For example, you sometimes need to separate the egg with the
Oh, dili na po ka.
egg.
Hunong ka diha. Dili ka dapat diha mohunong. Asa pa ka dapat mohunong? Dito pa ka mohunong. Balik.
You sometimes need to separate the egg from the
Walay diha. White na. Balik.
white. You sometimes need to separate egg white from the
Yolk.
yolk.
Egg. Kaning white. Katuning puti. Itlog. Kaning yolk. Egg yolk. Boni siya itong yellow. May yolk. Again.
And sift flour when
Ah?
flour.
Di mo na floor. Ang floor kay kuanan to.
When baking. Other
Flour.
mixtures
Wait now. Flour. Harina. Baking. Katong patubo. Lahi po itong yes. Okay.
can be
Asa ta?
other mixtures need to be separate so that their harmful components can be cleaned up like
Diretso ka na dapat hungon diha. Balik ta. Asa ta dapat pabalik? If she mistakes, will be back again. She mistake. Okay. Repeat.
Dili sa baking mag to.
Mm.
Baking other mixtures need to be separate so that their harmful components can be cleaned up.
Clean up. Okay.
Like an oil spills. Heterogeneous mixtures are easier to separate because you can tell.
Oh, dili ka dapat diha mo hunong ha. Balik ka.
Heterogeneous mixtures are easier to separate because you can still see their
Oh,
components.
diha ka mo hunong.
What are some ways of separating heterogeneous mixtures?
Very good.
Separation using fans and wind.
Wine.
Wind.
Wine. Oh, wine.
Wind.
Yeah. Ano naman po to? Yeah.
When
Okay, rice.
and on.
Mm.
When rice grains are harvested from the
Stocks.
stalks of rice. Stalks of rice. Plants they
Oh, wait. Hunong dapat. Balik ta. Oh. Balik. Okay.
when rice grains are harvested from the stalks of rice plants, they are still over
Walay over. Ang tawag ta ng walay over.
cover.
Balik. Okay. Balik. They
Are still covered with brown shells called
hulls.
hulls pounding. The rice
Hunong kada sa shell and rice, shell and coal hulls. Balik ta dito sa day. Kay sige. Masanay ka na mo diretso ka nya. Wala yung hunong bisag hunungunon. Mo diretso bisag na yung hunungunon. Dapat step by step. Sige, go.
They are still covered with brown shells called hulls, pounding the rice grains.
Oh, diha ka mo hunong. Greens, why hunungunon diha?
Pounding the rice grains.
O di lagi diha mo hunong. Dili continue lagi ta balik.
Pounding the rice grains or
Palay.
palay pills.
Mura na sila rice grains or palay. Sa in English rice grains. Sa Tagalog palay. Sige. Sige. Balik be.
Pounding the rice grains or palay pills of the hulls, but the pieces of them still get mixed with the white rice. In order to completely separate the hulls from the rice grains, a process called winnowing.
Winnowing.
Winnowing is done. And winnowing grains are tossed in front of a fan. The wind blows off the lighter pieces of
Hal.
hal and dirt, while
Okay.
the grains fall
Straight.
straight.
And straight. Sige.
Straight into the containers. Winnowing can also be done without a fan. Here in the Philippines,
Ay, hunong mo. Balik ka.
here in the Philippines,
Okay.
the mixture of rice grains and hulls is placed on a balyo,
Bilao.
bilao, and then
Shakin.
shaken and
Tos.
toast. The lighter pieces of whole
Balik. Kayo.
the lighter pieces of whole
Fall. Lagi na.
fall slower than the grains, so moving the value
Bilao. Wala gi value na in town.
bilao
Balik ka, be.
after
Balik ka, be.
so moving the bilao after
Catching.
catching the grains
Let's.
leads the whole pieces fall to the ground.
Dire. Sige.
Wow. Cool. Separation by
Ay, pagduha-duha.
gravity.
Ayaw pagduduha. Diretso mo na pagbasa. Sige. Sige.
Separation by gravity. Filtration.
Filtration. Filtration. Okay.
Gravitational force is useful
Oh,
for
ayaw pag hunong kay walay hunungunon balik.
gravity.
Gravitational. Gravitational.
Gravitational force is useful for separating sa mixtures rock.
Oh, tanawa. Hunungunon dapat. Dili mo diretso. Balik ta. Sige, balik. Sige, dire balik.
Gravitational force is useful for
Is useful.
for separating sa mixtures.
Very good.
Rocks and mining seats.
Sites.
Sites are sorted.
Oh, hingunong na pug ka. Balik ta dito.
Rock and mining
Mining. Site.
site are sorted according.
Oh, hunong na pug ka. Dapat tuara ang hunong mo. Dapat rin ang hunong mo. Balik ta. Okay.
Rocks. Gravitational
Oh, nararak.
rock
Mining site.
in mining site are sorted according to
Size.
Size
Sukod ba? Sukod.
and
Bisag size. Pasabot sa size na sukod sa sapatos, sukod sa sinina, or unsa. Any kind of sukod. Nakasabot? Nakasabot?
Sabaw.
Dire. Balik na sa rocks. Dito. Okay.
Rocks and mining sites are stored according
Sorted.
sorted according to size and with using a
shocking,
and clean
inclinable,
in
table, incline table,
with some help from running water. The lighter rocks move to a different direction, while the heavier rocks to go on a straight path.
there. Okay. Okay.
Similar
Techniques
techniques
that
are
are employed in farm wherein harvest crops. Okay.
similar techniques are employed in farm wherein harvest crops like beans, nuts,
Like beans, nuts, and peas. Paano ko no? Like beans. Beans gani pasabot kay mga lisu-lisu ba like munggo, like kanang mga basta mga lisu-lisu bitaw siya. Nuts. Nuts daw kuno mga nuts like mani, like mga nuts na siya. And peas. Mga peas gani katong like atong green peas o ana ba? Okay. Okay.
need to be sorted according to weight, since it is time
Consuming
to manually separate damaged and routine crops from good ones. Machines that short
Ano ba short? Mubo. Yeah. Short story, long story, or short hair, or short, any kind of mubo. Pasabot. Sige. Short by width.
Are used from good
Balik na diha. Narao.
recycling facilities also
Cigarettes.
scrap
Metal. Metals, bottles, plastics, and paper using similar machine that makes each type of material move through separate clouds and containers. Okay. Recycling. Okay, dito be. Sige.
Recycling facilities also scrap of metal, bottles, plastic, and
Wait lang. Kani siya di basta tuldok. Wait diha. Wait dire, wait dito. Wait diha, wait dire, wait dito. Ang pagbasa anak, ano na siya. Scrap metals, bottles, plastics, and paper using similar machine that makes each type of materials moves through separate clouds and containers. Okay, dire. Balik, recycling Okay.
Recycling facilities also segregate scrap metal, bottles, plastic, and paper using similar machines that make each type of material small.
Truth.
Separate
What?
cloths and
Containers.
containers.
Containers like anong isod like